A great day this is as we celebrate the confirmation of a new Chief Justice for the Republic of Kenya, but also for me a particularly singular honor to be the first president to swear in the first female Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. Just to remind you of just the oath that you have taken. And to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution, as by law established, and the laws and customs of the Republic, without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, and any political, religious, or other influence in the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted to you. And I will at all times, and to the best of my knowledge and ability, protect, administer, defend this Constitution with a view of upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya, and promoting fairness, independence, competence, and integrity within it. Mine is only to wish you God's blessings as you embark on your duties. We will pray for you. We know you will succeed. We are there to partner with you and to work with you as the executive branch of government. We want to partner with you. We want to work together with you. And we pray for your success. Justice Ouko, both of you at least, mmetoka from grassroots huko, mmekuwa in the system. Hakuna kukusomesha chochote. Fanya haki tu, na sisi hatutakuwa na shida. Mungu awabariki na walinde.